When you give, you honor God. And giving to God is a reflection of your heart. Because giving is not a money issue. Giving is a heart issue. Sabi mo nga sa katabi mo, check your heart. Kaya ang sabi ng Matthew chapter 6 verse 24, no one can serve two masters. Either you will hate the other or love the other. Either you will be devoted to one or hate the other. Either you will love God or money, but you cannot serve both God and interesting, isn't it? Hindi sinabing God and parents. Hindi sinabing God and spouse. Hindi sinabing God and house. Hindi sinabing God and job. Kasi I believe, ang pinakamatinding competitor ng Diyos sa buhay mo, pera. Hindi trabaho. Kaya ka nga nagtatrabaho para Kaya ka nga pumipila ng mahaba sa loto para